We're set up at the moon. It's a super moon, super pink moon. Never even heard of that. Super pink moon night. And I'm using a Nikon 1000mm lens, which may sound funny to some of you, but it's actually a 500mm lens with a Nikon 2x extender on it. And then I have it set on the Nikon D850 4K camera body. And we have it set to the DX crop mode, so we can do that math on screen here to see what that ends up being, but I think it's 1.5 or 1 times 7 times 1000, so it's 1500, 1700 millimeters, something like that. But it's really cool. Zoomed in close. We're at f16, 60th of a second on the shutter, and I've got the ISO at 64. We're running at 4K, 25 frames a second, and it's beautiful. It's just slowly moving across the screen. I've got a nice sturdy tripod, and it'll be fun to run this at different speeds on the computer and see, what movement we like the best. You can see all the craters and all the lake beds, or whatever they call them.